In the generation process, you can choose the exam content, from free text to uploaded files like presentations or summaries. You can also upload your own exam, use auto-evaluation, and more. Set the difficulty level from first grade to academic, and select the language, subject, and resources. Afterward, choose question types, the number of questions, and difficulty. In just seconds, your assessment will be generated. Everything is fully modifiable. You can easily change questions, grades, and rubrics, or even make adjustments using AI. Advanced settings include supervision and time options. Students can access the assessment, answer questions, and receive feedback. Once complete, educators get an overview of class and individual performance. With options to adjust grading and create detailed reports with practical recommendations.